Welcome back. Now that we are inside of the Email Octopus dashboard, we're going to click this link that says Set up AWS. Email Octopus is going to ask you if you have an AWS account. You're going to click Yes. And we're basically going to work through the same process we did with the server-based email, and we're going to create programmatic access with a new username inside of our SES account. That means that we'll come back to our IAM user page. We're going to click Users. We'll then click Users. And once we click Add a new user, we're going to create a new username. And we're going to give that username programmatic access and click Next. We're going to click Attach Existing Policies Directly. We're then going to write in SESF. We're then going to click this box. We're going to then click Next Review. We're then going to click Previous. We're then going to write in SNSF. We're going to click the box. We're then going to click Next Review. We'll then have two policies here. We're then going to click Create User. That user will then have an access key and a secret access key, and this is what we will place inside of Email Octopus. And once we do that, we will then click Complete Setup. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.